The following program shows the level of emission of carbon dioxide in some regions and countries. It is going to show graphics that indicate the highest, lowest level and average of carbon dioxide emission. Well, to enter our program, we have to digit our password, that is 1234. And now we can see the evolution of carbon dioxide emission in Latin America from 2012 to 2016. Here we can see that between 2012 and 2013, the emissions were very minimal compared to 2014, where the carbon dioxide emissions were very high, decreasing in the following years. This graphic shows a comparison between the average of carbon dioxide emission in Europe and South Asia. I could see that carbon dioxide emissions in Europe are high compared to South Asia, being 11.99 metric tons per capita, the highest level presented in 2012. In the following graphic, we can see the countries of Sub-Saharan Africa. South Africa has the highest carbon dioxide emission, having levels greater than 8 metric tons per capita, followed by Nigeria and Somalia, with emissions less than 1 metric ton per capita in the year 2016. After analyzing the database graphically, I noticed that the carbon dioxide emission in certain regions have had radical variation. Here we can see the country's carbon dioxide emission in 2016. As we can see, the highest level of carbon dioxide emission are presented in the Russian Federation, having 11.99 metric tons per capita of carbon dioxide. At the end of the program, it shows us the lowest carbon dioxide emission in 2016 of Sub-Saharan Africa, that is 0.045, and the highest emission of carbon dioxide in 2016, that is 11.99 metric tons, that belongs to the Russian Federation, as I mentioned before. With this, we can conclude that even if there are not extreme levels of carbon dioxide emission, it is necessary to make a change in the regions to avoid and prevent future damage to people's health, since according to the Institute for Geoenvironmental Health, high carbon dioxide emission can cause suffocation, headache, poor concentration, drowsiness, and respiratory problems. One of the solutions that can be applied in each country or region is to practice sustainable mobility, since the massive use of fossil fuel is the main cause of carbon dioxide emission. There are several options for a place to have sustainable mobility, such as the use of public transport, walking, or even cycling, the last two being the most efficient and recommended. Sustainable mobility goes beyond environmental benefits, since it also seeks the economic, social, and transit well-being of city dwellers.